Okay, I think I'm live. Let me share my screen with you all. My screen is visible. Yeah, my screen is visible. Given an integer n return true to the power of 2, otherwise return false and integer n to the power of 2 will exist x such that n is equal to 2 to the power x. Okay. So I can do one thing. Okay. What do you need to do? Simply do one left shift and you'll get your answer right. So 16, 16. Okay. And this is the binary for 16, not left shift. Uh, okay. Yeah. I think this should work. Let me code this out. A very simple line of code. Okay. Not much of not heck of a problem. Okay. For flag Google flag one is nothing but check that uh, n and n minus n is n into is equal to z. Okay, this is the case. Hmm. What is the value of n? Minus 231. Okay, so return n should be greater than 0 and flag flag. Yes, this should work. Yeah, it worked. Let me summon this code and see if it is working or not. Okay. Mm, that time overflow. Minus cannot be type int. Okay. And it's going to be minus this. Actually, minus one is not going to work. Okay. And minus one. Second. Okay. What if I'll directly just return this part? Flag, I'll write this. Okay. Use this test case and see if it is working or not. Yeah, not worked. Yeah, it worked. No issues if this is not easy to understand. Let me tell you how I'm going to solve this using simple recursion. Okay, or using loops. Okay, one second. Okay, so the question is very simple. I need to just find the like the number is a power of 2 or not, right? So simple while n is greater than 1. Okay, with n is greater than 1. If n 2 equal to 1, return false. Else n y is equal to 2. That's it. Return true. And I will also have to check for 0 and 1, right? So if n is equal to 1, return true. Okay, let's see if this is working or not. Okay, for this it gave me okay, true. Acha, one more thing. Any number, any negative number is not a power of 2. That's a very simple thing that we should know. So if n is smaller than 0 or smaller than equal to 0, it is considered to be false, right? I think it's simple. Like if a number is smaller than 0, then it is ultimately not a power of 2. Okay, great. Let me submit this code and see if this is working or not. Yeah, it accepted. Here is the full code. If n is smaller than 0, return false. If n is equal to 1, return true. And just loop it. And for this one, for the another solution which I gave you, let me show you. For this one, yeah, for the solution, you can also write if n is smaller than equal to 0, return false. I use this for the same thing and this one to just see, because if you will take the and of mm, the number and the previous number, let's suppose if I will take something like 16, if you will take and of 16 and 15, then it is obvious that it is going to be 0. Okay, because there is going to be only one 1, not more than one 1, right? So that's the idea. I think both the solution is pretty clear to every one of you. Yeah, it accepted. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope the solution is pretty clear.